Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting me. Today, a very common question in many competitive examination. It is JEE main question. The sum of all natural numbers n such that n is greater than 100 and lesser than 200 and HCF of 91 and n when n is greater than 1 is, four options are given: 3221, 3121, 3203 and 3303. So first let's understand here what is the value of n. N is HCF of 91 and n is greater than 1. And when n is greater than 1, that means the either n is your 13 or n equals to 7, because 91 equals to 13 into 7. Means you have to find all the sum of the numbers when the numbers are either divisible by 13 or 7, and it should be in between 100 to 200. So first we'll take the sum of the numbers divisible by so after 100, first number is your 105, which is divisible by 7. Next is 112, so on, 119, and you will see last number will be 196, which is less than 200. So how many numbers are there? Here n equals to here 40. So I'm writing let S7 is the sum of the numbers divisible by 7. Then S7 equals to, putting the formula n by 2, first term plus last term, so 105 plus 196, this will be 7 multiplies by 11 carries, it will be 0 and your 3, so it will be 2107. Next is the numbers divisible by 13. The first number after 100 divisible by 13 is 104. Next will be 117, and the last number will be your 195, which is divisible by 13. So here you will count, n will be your 8. So S13 is sum of numbers 5, 13. Then S13 equals to 8 by 2. First term is your 104. Last term is 195. Then equals to 4 multiplies 299. So it will be 1196. So these are the two numbers, either divisible by 13 and divisible by 7. But we know that your if it is either or and either or A or B, equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B, A or B, because we are counting twice. So we have to take what are the sum of the numbers divisible by it will be 91, sum of the numbers divisible by both 13 and 7, same as sum of numbers divisible by 91. So between 100 200, the 182 is number divisible by 1. Let's write the final statement. Sum of all numbers equals to S of 7 plus S of 13 minus S of 91. So this equals to 2107 plus 1196 minus 182. It will calculate, it will be 3121. So what is the answer? Which one is the answer? 2 is the answer. So thank you for watching.